Take a look at this massive jet engine cruising through the clouds. It weighs thousands of pounds, yet it easily pushes a heavy commercial airplane forward through thin, invisible air. How exactly does it do that? We can view this engine as a straightforward, specialized factory. Most factories build cars or electronics, but this factory has only one product. It exists to grab air from the front and throw it out the back as hard as it can. If you want to keep exploring how these machines work, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to continue your aviation learning journey. To understand how an airplane flies, we have to step inside this thrust factory and see how it transforms invisible air into physical forward momentum. As we begin our factory tour at the front of the engine, we have to ask, how does the engine actually prepare the incoming air to generate power? It starts with two main departments, one that lets the air in and another that squeezes it tight. As air enters a widening channel, it naturally slows down, causing particles to pack tightly together. Like a stadium crowd squeezing through a door, the air packs closer, building the intense physical pressure the engine needs. Without this squeezing process, the engine wouldn't have the concentrated air it needs for the explosive power stage that follows. Now that the air is tightly squeezed, where does the actual forward force come from? This is the expansion stage. Fuel is sprayed into that squeezed air and lit on fire. The air stays under the same pressure, but the heat causes it to grow drastically in volume, expanding outward with incredible force. How do we turn that explosive expansion of air into actual motion for the airplane? That happens in the final stage, where the hot air is forced out the back through a narrowing exit. By forcing the air through a tightening space, it moves much faster as it leaves. It's like putting your thumb over a garden hose. Narrowing the exit makes the spray shoot out with much more force. Does this factory ever stop to reset? A car engine works in pulses, but a jet engine is different. Instead, it is an unbroken, steady loop of fire and air that never pauses as long as it is running. The engine is a continuous loop of breathing air in, squeezing it tight, burning the fuel, and blowing it out, constantly turning heat into a high-speed jet of exhaust. Looking at the engine as a whole, we can finally answer the main question: how does a pilot make the plane go even faster? It comes down to a simple recipe. You have to either push more air through the engine or shoot it out the back at a higher speed. This shows the math of flight. Total thrust equals the mass of the air multiplied by its speed increase from front to back. Blasting this air backward creates an equal opposite force, pushing the aircraft forward. The next time you look out an airplane window at the engine on the wing, picture this continuous four-step factory working away inside. Keep asking questions and exploring how these machines actually conquer the sky. Aircraft thrust is a mastery of moving air backward in order to move the world forward.